Are you looking for the best hooded zip-up jacket on Amazon? We've got this one right here. Figured I'd show this thing off to you guys today. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy on up and see what we got on the inside. If y'all find this video helpful, definitely appreciate you guys hooking that up for me right there. So this one right here is going to be the extra small. You got the little tag right there to let you know the size. It's got a nice good size hood on the top right here, so it'll keep your head nice and warm on those cold days. Then you have a good length of sleeve right there. It's got the cuff around here as well, so that'll help cinch up around the wrist and not let that cold air in, but also not to let your body heat out as well, thus keeping you warmer. This is what it looks like, the stitching all the way around that cuff. Everything looks very nice and clean. And then you have a good zipper right here down the middle. Yep, that works well. No issues there. It's not getting stuck on anything. Can bring it all the way down so we can open it on up. Ooh, it's got like a nice lining on the inside here. What is that? It's very like velvety feeling. That feels very nice. Let's see if it says what this is made out of. The outer is 100% cotton, and then the liner is a 95% polyester and a 5% spandex. You can machine wash. It says wash dark colors separately, a cool iron on reverse, reshape while damp, and then dry flat. So that is your care for instructions if you guys needed any of that. Taking a look at the inside right here, again, you guys can see that nice, good, tight stitching all the way up and down this thing. I think the kid is going to love this because it's got this super soft material on the inside right there, that polyester that's going to keep them nice and warm, but also feeling so cozy. And then you also have on the front here the nice little pockets right there, so if you want to keep your hands warm, you can throw them into these little pockets right here in the front and then put your hood up and you'll be good to go. So let's test out the zipper going back up. Oh, you got a nice around the waist as well. It's got a little bit of give right there, so that'll help, again, cinch up to help hold the body heat in and keep that cool out. Let's see, we'll test this out. Yep, no issues there. If y'all are looking for an excellent hooded zip-up jacket, y'all definitely need to go and grab y'all one of these right here. If y'all are wondering what this is, one of those little sticker things right there. It's not like a blemish or anything, but y'all definitely go and grab y'all one of these. And they make this in a whole bunch of different colors. So if you're looking for a particular color, definitely go and check out the product listing below, and they'll have all the different options that you can choose from on there. That way you guys can go and get the one that's going to be the best for you, and you can pick out the right size that you're going to need for yourself as well. Thank y'all for watching. Thank you to these guys for sending this to me so I can show it off to y'all. And